I have my 2 drinks. I have if anyone's curious, this is a jade citrus mint tea from Starbucks, and I have a water. Yum. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am going to be doing a review on the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Sorry, I know what it's called. I have the shade 321B Precious Petals, and I always wanted to try this highlighter, and it's like super inexpensive, so I want to see if it's like worth like the $2 I think I paid for it compared to like another highlighter that I paid like $40 for or whatnot. But like a highlighter is a highlighter at the end of the day, but at the same time, like some are really chunky that I don't really care for, and some are not so chunky. I do want to say I love this design. It's like a petal, that's what it's called, but the color is like, it's kind of like a rose gold in a way. But let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's nice and smooth and silky. So what I'm going to use to apply it with is the Morphe 505 brush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick some up. Took almost all of it out. And I have no highlighter on right now. So what I'm going to do is just do it like I normally do it. It looks really pretty. But like some people really like to go like heavy, like to do a heavy hand with their highlighters. That's so pretty. Like in person, this is such a beautiful natural glow. Like I really like natural looking makeup. Like I like to do more like a natural looking, like there's some people who like, oh, I didn't even put any, hold on, well, it's okay, I'll use this. I'll just do a little on my forehead. And you know what, I didn't even put any highlighter on my inner tear ducts, so I'm going to use this because I don't have anything else in front of me, even though it's like literally right behind me. But hey, this is really pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with how like pretty this looks in my inner tear duct. I mean, literally just using this all over. It's my highlight right now. I normally would. I honestly love it. I love the way I look. I have a beautiful natural glow. I could do like a heavy hand if you want on one side. I'll do this side. I could just do both. Like that's super, like I never go this heavy because I don't like how in person, personally, I don't like how you can see the lines when I go super heavy. But what I also do is I just get a beauty sponge. This one is not that damp anymore, so I'm gonna put some spray just to make it a little damp, and I just go over it like so. And this is literally beautiful. I'm obsessed with this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the Precious Petal color. I think it's totally worth the $2. I don't even think I have a shade similar, like anything near this color. Like this is more of a true, I think this is a true kind of rose gold. I don't know. I think it's gorgeous. I would totally recommend this. Again, very inexpensive beauty powder. I think it's worth its buck. And I just love like the glow it gives me. I think it's just a beautiful glow. This retails for $4.99 and I think for $5 it's totally worth it. You get almost 20 ounces. You get not 20 ounces. You get 0.19 ounces. And I think it's a brilliant product. It's cruelty free, which is quite nice. I don't believe it's vegan. It just says cruelty free right here in this little left hand side of the package. But again, it's a 5.8 grams. So sorry, 5.4 grams. I don't know where I got the 8 from. 5.4 grams, 0.19 ounces, and I think it's a brilliant product. I love it. I love the natural glow it's giving me. And I don't know, I just this is very similar to which one? Oh, you know which one it's very similar to that it gives me this like nice natural glow. Let me go grab it. In the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit in the Starburst color, that's the shade right here. It gives me the same finish, the same natural glow, and for $5 you kind of get the same thing instead of spending like a $40, or is it $40 palette? I don't know, but it's somewhat of the same payoff. I'm super like shocked that this gives me the same like finish and natural glow and all that stuff like this. Now if you're not more into a natural glow and you want something more like super like, hey, I'm here kind of color, which is like, hey, you know, everyone's, you know, goes by their own beat of the drum. But for me personally, that's just, what's this shade right here? I don't know if it makes a difference. I don't know. But like, if you want something more of a bam, pop, like I'm here kind of glow, this does it, but I don't think it won't do it like how like this marshmallow shade really like makes my highlight stand out. I kind of like more of a natural glow personally, but everyone's different. I would highly recommend this like highlighting highlighter. I would totally recommend this highlighter. If you guys would like to see me review a product that you can hear the sirens. If you guys like me to review a product, just leave it in the comment section down below and just let me know what product you'd like me to review. Please subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye!